So here we are, back once again with the Renegade Master. People love this, power to the people. Alright, so I have an idea that's crazy and stupid, and let's see what happens. We're going to take this broken tipless arrow, and we're going to put a tip on it with the pencil grinder. That's my next experiment. Okay, well, it's just little carbon fibers now. Well, I figured it'd be carbon fiber, but it's got a bit of a tip. Just the tip. Just the tip. It's got a bit of a tip. We tipped it. I will consider that a partial success. Now let's try it with this one. It's thicker. Why is the thing coming? Oh, because the graphite is creating major vibration. Alright, well, that's a non-partial success. And it smells like it's burning in here now. Alright, yeah, that's a non-partial success. But somewhat. Alright, so now we have tips on tipless arrows. And we successfully knocked one. Oh, I see. Actually, it wasn't a success, only a partial success. It just cracked and broke. But hey, it's got a knock on it. We're going to try to shoot it. Whatever. Well, we might as well sharpen it too. Alright. Well, whatever. It's a broad tip. But we got some semi-tips